why these niggas playing. Got the cannon on my hand, I feel like Mega Man. Brody drink, I got spike, be fucking on the dike. See a beam, I'ma pop it like a Mike and Ike. Jason ain't shit on me, I brought a blade too. On the east with Dre, in the same coupe. Who you get this gas from? Don't say cool. Caught a crib snitching, giving Blues Clues. My ex-bitch might be pregnant, can't even worry. All I take is 3 shots, gun like Stephen Curry. I'ma eat it, I don't care if the coochie fuzzy. Broke niggas, stuck him up for Monopoly money. These hoes, Kevin Hart, always acting funny. Only tryna fuck on me when I got some money. Always tryna come around when I got some form. But I leave him, all you hear is my engine run. Don't do much, so all my cars that I ride in is foreign. Feel like Prince, purple rain in my cup, I be pouring. Young niggas cut you up, children of the corn. Fat bitch, 5th grade, shout out to Miss Corn. I need to take a break. Been sipping on these teas, I got a tummy ache. Talking about a BBL, bitch, you don't need more cake. Put a price on my head, boy, your life at stake. Pull up on Lil P, get 8 with 308s. Niggas soft in the M, heard some y'all gay. Caught trench with 2 P's, had to relocate. I be slicing niggas up, I'm the new Jim Blade. Damn, need a new roster. Bitch talking to me crazy, I acted like my father. Dressed down, she a salad, whole gang gun tossed her. Feel like Wilt on the court when I double crossed her. Put 4 G's in the wood and that shit gon' burn. I been stuck up in the stew, bitch, I feel like Earn. Yeah, they said I'm up next, but it's been my turn. Bitch, I'm smoking Oreos, you smoking on Sherm.
Nigga, it's time to pick a side. We're going body for body, I'm finna dump the 9. Say she ain't drink a Patron, cause I ain't got no lime. She suck it sloppy for me, but that bitch ain't mine. Yo, goofy ass Brita duck, don't get hit with that 5. Send him back to the future like he Marty McFly. I swear I'm stuck up in these streets, no I can't retire. Before he come up in the trap, pat him down for the wire. I pass this girl around the team like that bitch was a flyer. She be begging for the meat, she like Oscar Myers. Ask Lil Bro to hit the beat, cause he be spitting fire. I caught her snorting pixie dust, she from Neverland. I stay flying off the weed, feel like Peter Pan. She tryna wrestle in them sheets like I'm Vince McMahon. I heard she had an STD, so I fucked her friend. My brother took one for the team, told him watch the twins.